Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about string topic in Java programming. We are going to see about the following contents in this video: string class with example program, string methods, example program on string methods, string comparison, example program on string comparison, string buffer class, constructors in a string buffer class, methods in string buffer class, example program on string buffer, string tokenizer, constructors in string tokenizer, methods in string tokenizer class. String in Java is a sequence of characters that exist as an object of the class java.lang. We have string buffer and string tokenizer. String buffer belongs to IO, java.io star, whereas string tokenizer is in util. String class. String class is used to create and manipulate the Java strings. Once a string is created, its value cannot be changed. A string is a sequence of characters, and a class is a user-defined template for creating an object. Therefore, string class can be defined as a user-defined template for creating and manipulating string objects. We will see an example program for string class. Creating strings using string literals and using new keyword. Inside the class string program and main method giving string s1 equal to Java. For creating string using string literal, then defining a variable called ch as an array of characters string's. Now to call the char array to string, given string s2 equal to new string of ch. For creation of string using new keyword, given string s3 equal to new string of example. Now printing s1, s2 and s3. String methods. In Java, we have the following string methods. First one, char80 of int index, which returns a character value for the given index. Int length method, for returning length of the string. String substring of int begin index, returns the substring from the given begin index to the end of the string. Next one, string substring of int begin index, int end index, which returns the substring up to the end index. Boolean equals of string object name. It checks the equality of values in the string objects. Boolean is empty method is used to check whether the string is empty or not. String concat of string str. It concatenates the specified string replace of char old, char new. This method replaces all occurrences of specified char values. String trim method, for returning the trimmed string by omitting leading and trailing spaces. Int index of char ch. This method returns index of the specified character. Int index of string substring, for returning the index of specified substring. String to lowercase method, which returns the string in lowercase. String to uppercase, to return the string in uppercase. Following is the example to demonstrate one of the string method. Inside the class string prog1 and main method giving a string s as welcome. Here I am using string concat method, that is s.concat inside the method giving to Java and printing s value. The output of this program is welcome. Strings are immutable, so we cannot change the contents of string object using string methods, but it can be done by using string buffer class. String comparison. In Java, we can compare the strings. There are three methods to compare the given two strings. Boolean equals, string object, equal to operator, and compare to method. First one, Boolean equals of string object method is used to compare the contents or values present in the given strings. Next one, by equal to operator method, strings can be compared by using references or instance of the given strings. By comparing to method, the values present in the given strings and returns an integer values which tells whether the both strings are equal or which is greater and which is less returning the values like 0, 1, minus 1. Let's see an example program to see any string comparison method. We will go with equals method. In class string prog2 and main, defining the strings s1 and s2 as hello and hi respectively. Now calling array of characters using s3 and s4. String s3 equal to new string of hello, string s4 equal to new string of hi, and giving a string s equal to hello. Now for comparison, using equals method in printing statements as follows. First one, system.out.println s1 equals s2. Here s1 equal to hello, s2 equal to hi. Hello is not equal to hi, it prints false. Next one, s1 dot equals s3. s1 equal to hello, s3 is also equal to hello. As we given s3 equal to new string hello, so s1 equals to s3, it prints true. Next, s2 dot equals s4. s2 equal to hi, s4 is also hi, but in s4 all letters are capital, so s2 is not equal to s4, it prints false. Next, s2 dot equals ignore case s4. Here we used a string method equals ignore to ignore the case of letters. So s2 equals to s4, it prints true. Next, s equals to s1. s equal to hello, s1 is also hello. s equal to s1, it prints value as true. So the output of this program is false, true, true and true. Next topic in strings is the string buffer class. We will see constructors and methods present in string buffer class along with example program. In Java, the constructors in string buffer class are string buffer of string str, string buffer of int capacity. String buffer creates an empty string buffer with initial capacity of 16 characters. String buffer of string str. It creates a string buffer with specified string. String buffer of int capacity creates an empty string buffer with a specified capacity as length. Coming to methods in string buffer class, public synchronized string buffer append of string s. It is used to append the specified string to the actual string. Public synchronized string buffer insert of int offset string s. This method is used to insert the specified string at the specified position. Next, public synchronized string buffer replace of int start index, int end index string s. It is used to replace the string from the starting index to ending index. Public synchronized string buffer delete of int start index, int end index. It is used to delete string from start index to end index. Public synchronized string buffer reverse. It is used to reverse the given string. Public char 80 of int index. This method returns a character value from the given index. Public int length method returns the length of the given string. Public int capacity. It returns the capacity of the given string. Public void ensure capacity of int capacity method ensures the given capacity. Public string substring of int start index. It returns the substring from the given starting index. Public string substring of int start index, int end index method returns the substring from the given starting index to ending index. Following is the example program to demonstrate capacity method of string buffer. First, defining string buffer method inside string prog3 and main as a string buffer sb equal to new string buffer and giving system.out.println sb.capacity. Here capacity method returns the capacity of the given string, so it returns value as 16. sb.append of hello. Append used to add, so that is append the specified string to the actual string. Next statement, printing sb.capacity, it returns 16. sb.append, welcome to Java lab. Since there are more than 16 characters, the capacity will increase from the initial capacity, that is initial capacity into 2 plus 2, that is 16 into 2 plus 2 equal to 34. sb.ensure capacity of 15. It checks whether it can hold 15 characters. Next, system.out.println sb.capacity. It returns value 34. sb.ensure capacity of 50. The string capacity is 34, so it is increased to 34 into 2 plus 2, that is 70. The output of this program is 16, 16, 34 and 34. Till now we discussed about string, that is string class, string buffer. We will now see about string tokenizer. The constructors present in string tokenizers are string tokenizer of string str. It creates a string tokenizer with specified string. Next one, string tokenizer of string str, string delim. This constructor creates a string tokenizer with specified string and delimiter. String tokenizer of string str, string delim, boolean return value. It creates a string tokenizer with specified string, delimiter and return value. If the return type is true delimiter, characters are considered to be tokens. If the values is false, the delimiter characters are served as separate tokens. Coming to methods in string tokenizer class, first one is boolean has more tokens. It checks if there are more tokens available in the specified string. Next, string next token method, which returns the next token from the string tokenizer object. String next token, string delim. This method returns the next token based on the delimiter. Int count token method returns the total number of tokens. That's all about this video where we discussed about string buffer class, string tokenizer.